In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove echo in a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you are experiencing or receiving complaints that there is a lot of echoes in the meeting, then you can remove this by just following these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, as you can see, here is a meeting going on, and to solve echo issue, just head over to more actions here and then go to audio settings. From here, go to advanced setting, and under this you can see we have noise suppression and then high fidelity music mode. For this, we need first to enable this, and when we enable this, now we have these two options activated for display in Microsoft drop down and also enhance echo cancellation. So to remove echo, check on enhance echo cancellation, and this will now reduce any echo that you are experiencing in your Microsoft Teams meeting. So that's how you can remove echoes in your Microsoft Teams meeting. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.